morning, kids. Today we learn uses of whole lines in alphabets. See, we have learned the lines, curves and semicircles in our play classes. Here we have alphabets. How many alphabets we have? 26 alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. How many alphabets we have? 26 alphabets. Now we will write how to use the alphabets in a whole lines. See, look at here. Which line it is? Slant line. Which line it is? Slant line. We have learned the slant line in a play classes. In a slant line, which letter we use? Look at here. Is it slant line? Only slant line it is? No, it is with using a slipping line. Look at here. Two slants line here. Which alphabet is written? V. After V, we will find two slants Y and X. So, by using two slant lines, which alphabet we will write? V. By using two slant lines, which alphabet we will write? V. And other X and Y. Only two slant lines is using in a alphabet is X, V, X and Y. Now look at here. This is two slant line and one slipping line. What is it? Two slant lines and one slipping line. Before using these four lines, we can count also. 1, 2, 3. But what is this slant and slipping lines? Find it out. Only slant and slipping lines. Which alphabet we can write? A. First we count 1, 2, 3. We will use slant line. Again opposite slant line. 1, 2, 3. We will use opposite slant line. And this is a slipping line. We will use in between A slipping line. See, slipping line. Which letter it makes? A. Which letter we learn? A. By using of slant and slipping lines. Find it out. Another letter with slant and slipping line. Now look, Z. What we find? Z. How you will write Z? First slipping line is it is. Then we will use two dots and join this dot. Again slant line in Z. So count the lines in 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and join these 3 dots. Again we will use slipping line to make a Z. Again give a second dots and join this dots. What it makes? Z. By using slant and slipping lines, which letter is made? A and Z. Understood? Another, we will learn semicircle and circle. We have learned the semicircle and circle in the play class also. So, how it's make a semicircle? If we are using circle, look at here. 1, 2, 3. In 3 lines, we will make a circle. Now we will learn semicircle and circle. With the semicircle and circle, which alphabet we can make? Before using the semicircle, how to make a circle, we will draw like this. Look at here. First we count the lines. 1, 2, 3. How many lines? 1, 2, 3. In 3 lines we will draw a O. In 3 lines what we will draw? O. It looks like a O, circle. And in this circle, which shapes can we make? Which things is like a circle? Orange. Orange looks like a O. So with O, if we will cut half orange, it looks like a semicircle. It looks like a semicircle. And opposite semicircle is also, it's look like a semicircle. Okay. So we will find some letters with standing line and semicircle. Find it. A, B. B is with standing and semicircle. So how we will write B? First, standing line we will draw 1, 2, 3. In 3 lines we will draw a standing line. Okay? And semicircle. In B, we will use 2 semicircle. In 2 semicircle, we will use first semicircle in only 2 lines. 1 and 2. In blue and green line, we will use first semicircle. And in 2 green lines, we will use second semicircle for making B. Now, what you will hear? 1, 2, 3. In standing line, it is using a standing line. Again, now it's make a P in only 1 semicircle. This 2 semicircle we will make a B. With blue to green line, we will make a 1 semicircle, and with green to green line we will make second semicircle. It makes B. Which letter it makes? B. Now we will find which one? D. Only D. D will use again standing line in 3 lines. Blue to green color. Blue to green color. Blue color, green color, green color. In only 3 lines. And we have to make a D. In blue to green color we will use D. In blue to green color we will make it D. Now you will find again another one. Which letter comes with standing and semicircle? Find it out. Standing and semicircle, P we have done. Again other letter we will find? No. Other letter we are not finding it. Again which one we are going? Standing line and slipping line. With a standing line, slipping line, which letter we can use? Look at here. Standing and slipping line. C, E and F. First we will use how to make F. With F, how we will make E. Look at here. Blue to green line, we will draw a standing line in only 3 lines. Draw it. Okay. And what is this? Slipping line. We will use slipping line only in a blue line, small blue line, and small in green line. Okay, what it makes? F. Now again we will use, after F, we will write E. Why? Before E, we have to easy to make a F. So it's very easy to use E if we will make F. Because children always use easy things. So after F, we will use E. 1. First we will use standing line in 3 lines. Blue line to green line. Again we will use slipping line, small slipping line in a blue line. Again we will use small slipping line in a green line. In a second green line, again we will use a small slipping line in a green line. Which letter it makes? E. Now again we will find with standing and slipping line, which one letter it comes? H. Which letter it comes? H. We will draw 2 standing lines and 1 slipping lines. Look at here. Blue line, green line, green line. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Make a standing line. Again, same line we will draw in front of that line. 1, 2, 3. Now we will draw a slipping line in between 2 standing lines in a green color line. First green color line. 1. Okay? Which letter is marked? H. Which letter is marked? H. Now we will find I. I, we will use blue to second green line, 1 standing line, in blue line, small slipping line, in green line, small slipping line. It's become I. Now we will find L. Blue to second green line, standing line, and in second green line, small slipping line, it becomes L. Now other which one? Find it out. T. First blue line we will draw a small slipping line in between two dots and standing line in three lines, blue, green, green. 1, 2, 3. It becomes T. And other any letter can you find it? I think I'm not finding. Are you? No. Then again you will use slant line and standing line. In slant line and standing line, which letter is there? Find it here. Slant line and standing line. A, no. B, no. C, no. D, no. E, no. F, no. G, find it out. I think no. Standing line and slipping line is no. H, no. I, no. J, no. K, yes, K. How will you use K? Look at here. Now we will use slant line and standing line. We have find now K, na? So how to use a K? In blue line to green line we will join standing line, and this is a slant line. Small slant line we will use blue line to first green line, small slant line, again green line to second green line, small slant line. It becomes K. Now which number is there? Sorry, which letter is there? Slant and slanting line. Find it out. M. M we can make. It will be easy for N also and M also. So M we will make with standing line. Look at here. H we have done here. So both are the same line in front of it. So make a two standing line in front and then make a slant line. In this middle point we will use H. We are using H, so we will not use slipping line, but we will use slant line in this middle and in this middle. In first green line, what it makes? M. After M, N. We will use blue line to green line, again blue line to green line. Make two standing lines and just cross these two lines with blue to second green line. It becomes N. What it becomes? N. Now again we will find standing and slant line. Let us find. I think it is W. And opposite, if we will look in a mirror M, like opposite, it looks like a W. So it is above blue lines. Now we will write it opposite way. First we draw standing line blue to second green line. Blue line to second green line. Again we will draw blue line to second green line. If you want to count a line, you can count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In M, we have drawn the slant line above the blue line. Now we will draw a slant line down from the green line. Second green line to first green line. Slant line we will draw again. Second green line to first green line. It becomes a W. Now we will find again anyone is standing and slant line. I think no. Can you? I think no. If you can, tell me later. See, what is this? What is this? If we look as a sieve, it looks like a semicircle. But if we will look like a alphabet, it's look like a C. C, and what is this? L. If we will look like an alphabet, then it will look like a smaller. But we call standing line. And what is this? Slipping line. So in slipping line, standing line and semicircle, or semicircle, standing line or slipping line. Which letter we can find? Can you find it? If you find, then say to me. Anybody is there? No. So let us find it again. G. G is semicircle, slipping line and standing line. How will we make with 3 lines? How will we draw it? See, G, capital G we will draw. Blue line to second green line, 1, 2, 3. Draw a semicircle. We will use C, semicircle. Blue line to second green line, 1, 2, 3. Blue line to second green line. We will draw C. Then we will draw standing line only in between 2 lines. Second green line to first green line. We will draw a standing line. Again we will draw slipping line to make a G in a second green line. Second, after blue line comes green line. So in second green line we will make a small line, looks like a G. It looks like a, what it looks like a capital G. Now another letter we can use with standing, slipping and circle. Let us find J. We will use J. Slipping line in a first blue line, standing line from blue line to second green line, first blue line, second green line and third green line. It becomes standing line to make a J and it will curve. Again, it is a semicircle, like looks like a semicircle. It's become a J. It's become a J. Again find the another letter. Which letter you can find? Can you find it? I think it's no. Again look it above. Can we make a 26 letters? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. It means 3 letters left. Which letter is left? Let us find it out. V. We have done V. X. We have done X. Y. We have done Y. Z and A. First letter of the alphabet is A and last letter of alphabet is Z. O, S, C. Which one is O? Here S and third letter is C. Now again we will find P, B, D. P is there. P, B, again D. Let us find. Now let us find which one? Standing line and slipping line. These letters are made. Now we will, which letter we have done? F, E, H, I, L, T. Where is the T? This one, T. Now K, M and W. Let us find K, M and W. Now it is G and J. G and J. Let us find which letter we have left. This letter Q, R and U. See how we will make Q and R and U. Q is with circle and slant line. So how will use Q? First we make a circle and second we will make slant line in 3 lines. Blue line to second green line. Let us see how we will make capital Q in 3 lines. First, second and third. Blue line to second green line, we will draw a O and this dot it comes in between O. In the middle of green lines, we just draw a slant line from it, like outside the second green line. It becomes Q. And now which letter it is there? Q we have done R. R is making with the standing line, semicircle and slant line. Is there any standing line, semicircle and slant line? No. So we will draw which one it is? Standing line, semicircle and slant line. What we will make? R. First we will draw standing line, first blue line to second green line. We will draw standing line, and in first blue line to first green line we will make what? Like P. We have learned P to make with the help of standing line and a semicircle. Now we will draw a slant line. It becomes R. First green line to second green line, if we will draw, it becomes R. We have done R also. Which letter is left? U. With U we will use standing line and a semicircle. Standing line and a semicircle. See, we have already learned before with standing line and semicircle to make a sum letter. We have just look at above lines. It is a semicircle and it is a standing line. What we mix with the and slipping line also. Semicircle and standing line. Is there any? No. Semicircle and standing line. Look at here. We have done P, B and D. With standing line and semicircle, if we can make a P, B and D, then we can make also U also. How it will be? Look at here. Make a two standing line with first blue line to second green line. Again, first blue line to second green line, and just make a small C in opposite side of the second green line. It will be look like this. Look at here. Just use green line. What it becomes? U. What it becomes? V. Let's again see we have done 26 letter or not. Count it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, not this one. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. How much letter we have done? 26 letters in alphabet. We have learned to draw how by using with the slant line, standing line, circle and semicircle. Like this we will make A to Z. Tomorrow we will learn about to write a serial wise with from A to Z. Today we have learned the using lines to make alphabets in a 4 lines. Okay, are you understand? Yes. So now we will learn ABCD rhymes. Say with me. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. X Y Z. Sugar on the bread. If you don't like it, better go to bed. Bye bye. We will meet tomorrow.